Okay, so here I have a little project that I've been working on lately. So what I have here is an Arduino Uno with the PR sensor up here and this RF transmitter. And here on the side I have a push button which I'm using to transfer information or data to this receiver here. And there I have the little speaker there. I forgot what it's not a speaker, it's I forgot. So yeah, here I have the receiver with two LEDs. So the green one blinking there, it means just that I have connection from this Arduino to this one. They have connection. If I go ahead and let me unplug it from here. Let me put the phone here real quick. That was the PR sensor detecting movement. So you see that it's not blinking anymore because it's not receiving it doesn't have you can say signal, or it's not receiving any information from this transmitter. So if I let me see if I can put it here. I wish I had a tripod to do this video easier, but let me put it here, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect the USB back on the Arduino Uno, and you'll see. Oh. Okay, so it was just going through the process of the PR sensor. It was calibrating everything, but I guess I can fix the code so we won't do that. So just give it like 30 seconds to calibrate and everything to be ready. So yeah, as you get so what I have here is just this Arduino sending information to this one. And as you can see here, I have another LED. This is a blue one, and that's a green one. But the blue one, if I press this push button here, you'll see how the blue LED turns on. You see that? In a couple of seconds, it will turn off by itself. Let me see if I can get that. Shit, without triggering. See that? So yeah, what I had in mind with this was putting not that Arduino. I'm just using those to test it, to test what I had in mind. So what I have in mind is putting either this or this one inside of my car. These are two Arduino. Okay, so let's say I put this one, I put all those components on this Arduino, and then I put it inside the car. So I had in mind like putting the PR sensor inside of the car to detect movement, and I had in mind like putting this not this push button, but like connect this like pretend that this was connected to the alarm of my car. So if anything happens there, if the alarm triggers or something, it will trigger the speaker here to make noises, because sometimes when the alarm goes off in my car, I can hear it from here from inside my room. So let's say the alarm of my car goes off, so I'll hear it here, because it will send a a value to this Arduino. I'll be using this one, but it will send a value to this Arduino, which will represent the speaker. So if everything is good, the connection and everything, the green LED will be blinking, which will mean that everything is good. But I think I'll make the LED go slower, like take longer to blink. And then so yeah, if there's any movement, probably I'll put the speaker, or just change this blue LED with a red one. So if there's any movement, the green LED will turn on like so, and the green one will turn off. So that'll mean something. Yeah, as you can see. Or if there's any movement inside of the car, that will happen. And I'll just keep this with me. I'll put a let me put this. Either this 9-volt battery. Oh, I was thinking also putting a LED I mean that display with the receiver, and also I had in mind like putting everything inside of a project box. I have a couple there. So one is with the car and the other one with me. So it will just like enclosure with 2 LEDs, the display, and the speaker from one of the sides, and the antenna sticking out. And the range of this is really long, so I remember I went to the car and I left it there, and it was working perfectly. So I already tried it out. And I was thinking of using this is a phone charger. I just took it apart, and I put this cable. I soldered that cable there and the other one here. So I had in mind like putting this inside of the car and these to the Arduino. I know the Arduino works with 12 volts directly from the car, but I think I feel more comfortable keeping it at the same label, 5 and 5, just going straight to this, and they work perfectly. Do I have any battery or something to try? I don't think I have the code here, but it has everything. It has the power LED, the LED 13, everything. The power goes through here and everything. These are all the pins. Everything works perfectly. So that's the project that I had in mind, and here's the code. If anything, I'll just post it. But yeah, this is what I had in mind, and it works perfect. There you go. And now let's try I'm sorry, I moved it. So now let's try you see? Everything's working there. I even had this proximity sensor connected to it. So this is something else that I was working, trying to. Well, I had it working, but I stopped using that. That's the keypad, and that's a touchscreen down there. So yeah, if you have any comments or anything, questions, just ask me. Thank you.